Hello guys, today I am going to start a chapter number 1 of class 9 number system. What is the number system? Number system is the system of naming or representing the numbers. In a simple way, now we can say now when we have represent the number in a systematic way and naming of the numbers and representing the numbers in different way is called the number system. In a number systems there are many type of the number system, especially now you have the 4 number system, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. In a decimal number system, the base is always 10. The base is always 10 means that you use a digit 0 to 9. For example, now we write 2.4. So 0.4. So 4 is the one digit. So now we use the 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, so on 2.9. So the base of the decimal number system is always 10. But now in a binary number system, the base is the 2. You know the binary number system is always used in our computer language. The binary number system, the base is a 2, 0 or 1. Now third is the octal number system. The base of the octal number system is a 8. 8 means the digit always use 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 7. And in a last hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. Base is 16 means now you use a digit 0 to 9 and the alphabet A to F. Now in your chapter the number system you especially study about the rational numbers or the irrational number. So what is the rational number? From the word the rational number. The rational number means the ratio. A ratio always write in the form of the P upon Q. So the rational number, a rational number is a number that can be in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is always not equal to 0. Q की जो वैल्यू है वो always not equal to 0, because suppose that the Q is equal to 0, the 2 upon 0, the answer will be infinity. It means the not defined. So the rational number always in the form of the P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. For example, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 2, 8 upon 9, 5 upon 6, so on. Now the next is a irrational number. Irrational number, those number which are not right in the form of the P upon Q. It means now we are unable to write in the ratio form. Ratio form means the P upon Q form. For example, the value of the pi, the value of root 2, value of the root 5, not possible to write in the form of the P upon Q. So it is a irrational number.